what's up, New Zion? It's Pastor Pat here again. This is the middle of day 1 of our week 2 of renovations. As you can see, they got the stage all cleared out. So all we got to do now is get ready to build out and make it level all the way back. And that's going to happen this week. And you'll see that in the days to come. Right now, we're tackling this project right here, trying to get the projector down. And my main man, Sonny, who y'all met last week, he's doing his best to try to get that taken care of. It's a little challenge for us right now, but we're gonna get it taken care of and get it all squared away. So this is day 1, and we're still moving, we're still going. To the next video, I gotta go.
Hey, B.
Yes.
Y'all got a microwave?
Yes. Just so you all know, we're recording this.
Yes.
But they only got like one school.
Y'all pray right now.
Right now.
I like that. I like that, young man. Woo.
So, as you can see, it's much heavier than what we thought. So, but we got it down. That's the important part.
That's AP in the building.
And on to the next project. See you in the next video. Got it all cleared out. Stage all clear. Projector down. Screen down. What's up, New Zion? This is day number 3 of week 2, and today we are currently in the process of taking down some chandeliers. As you can see right there, we already got some of them down already. I'll show you that process in just a minute. And I know many of you have been asking about the bathrooms. Trust me, we did not leave that out, and so we have that being done today. The plumber's going to come and get the toilets out of the way. As you can see, the baseboard flooring will be removed today, so we wanted to make sure that we let you all know that as well. We're working on the bathrooms as well, so we'll keep you updated on that. All right, guys, so as you can see, we got one urinal already uninstalled. Mr. Ed and his son is taking care of all of our plumbing needs in here. Okay guys, so we got our new outdoor scon light. If you remember this side, it didn't have a light on it for a long time, but now we just put one up today. And we're gonna do the other side in just a second. But for now, we got this one up. It looks good, looks good. Hey guys, so as you can see, we gotta get this flush with the wall. You see those gaps in that vent? So this is what the guy is doing on this side over here. As you can see, those gaps are already gone. Hey, what's up, New Zion? This is the end of day number 3, week 2 of our church renovation. Just wanted to give you a brief update about all the things that took place today. As you can see up in the ceilings even now, that the chandeliers have been taken down. And you can also see that all this new lighting is so bright. This new LED lighting that is in here, they have that. Also, you see all the sconces, they are all down off the wall. See, they have patched up those gaps in the vents there, and now those are now no longer visible, and we'll paint over those. You won't even know that they were there. So by the way, in just a few days, we will be having our Black Business Expo, and I just want to put a plug in here. You see me wearing our new t-shirts. These t-shirts will be on sale at the New Zion booth. And these t-shirts will be $20. You can order those that are there. If they're not there or your size is not there, you can place an order and we will get that shirt to you. This is a nice shirt, so we want to put that out there. So make sure you come to the Black Business Expo July 17th from 11 to 5, and you can get your shirt at the New Zion booth. All right? Here we go here. They have taken water fountains out. Taking the water fountains out. In the bathrooms, they have taken all the flooring up. They got to come back tomorrow and finish this. But they're going to be take all the toilets up. They're going to get the vanities out, and we're going to be good to go in there. Ladies, don't think we left you out. We got something planned for you. We got something in store for you on that. I believe that is it for today. Until the next video, I got to go. Good morning. Well, good morning, New Zion. This is day 4 of week 2. All right, guys. So as you can see, we've got all of the toilets and urinals out of the women's bathroom. Now it's just ready for install. So let's go. What's up, New Zion? This is the end of day number 4 of our week 2 renovations, and I just want you to know that our demolition is now complete. We're getting ready tomorrow. We're getting ready to start building. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to come up here. You see all this has been cleared out. We're getting ready to level this out. They're going to drywall that. Looking great. We got our painter guys coming in, some mud and tape, all that stuff. So don't worry about it looking like that. It won't look like that probably by the end of next week. I want to take you out here to show you that we've completed the bathrooms, male and female. Oh, by the way, as you can see, I'm wearing the white color of our New Zion t-shirts today. And you know that next Saturday on July the 17th, we're having our first annual Black Business Expo. These will be on sale at the New Zion booth. So make sure you come out and get it. And if your size is not there, we'll place an order and get it to you. These shirts will be going for $20. You see it, it looks good. It looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, I know. All the urinals, we got all the urinals down. Everything's down, the cabinet is down, and it is the same way in the women's bathroom, which is on the other side. So next week we're going to start doing some things, getting things, beautifying this place. We are working, and we want you to know we could not do it without your support. And because of your support, we are able to do what we do. So we thank you so much, and until the next video, I gotta go. What's up, New Zion? This is the final day of our week 2 of renovations, and as you can see, they've already got a lot of material in here. They started framing for our stage. You can see right here they had to take off this little part right here because this part of the stage is extending out to about right here. It's extending 4 feet out. This part of it extending out. The stairs will stay the same like it is, and this part will be out a little bit further, give us a little bit more room, open it up a little bit more for the stage area. As you can see here, they have also started to frame up the back so they can make the stage level out this way here, and they've already started. Also, I wanted to remind you about this. Our black New Zion t-shirts. We showed you the white, we showed you the gray, and now Miss Shannon Dixon here is wearing the black version of our new Zion t-shirts that will be available for purchase on July 17th at our Black Business Expo. Come out to the New Zion booth. They are be $20. If your size is not available, we have an order form there for you. We will make sure that you get your shirt. Come out and support all the vendors. We hope to see your face on the place, in the place on July the 17th. Until next week, we gotta go.